Most people treat their paycheck like a bucket with a hole in it, but the wealthy, they treat it like raw material for a factory. Welcome to the automated wealth machine. The moment your money arrives, the system takes over. No thinking, no willpower, just code. The first robotic arm sorts your income into three specific streams. Belt 1. 70% goes to your essentials. This keeps the lights on and the engine running. It's the fuel for your daily life, but it doesn't build your future. Belt 2 is where the magic happens. 20% is diverted into the wealth engine. In 2026, this machine doesn't pick stocks. It buys the entire market. Watch what happens inside. This machine turns small coins into seeds. These seeds grow into money trees through compounding. Every tree that grows starts dropping its own coins back onto the belt. This is passive income in action. Belt 3. 10% for fun. Because the machine is already building your future, you can spend this money with zero guilt. No stress, just reward. In 10 years, the trees provide more coins than the original paycheck ever did. The factory is now running itself. You aren't working for money, your factory is working for you. Ready to build your factory? Download our automated budget template in the description. Subscribe to Business World, Money and Wealth to start the machine.